So I've got this multifunctional wall lamp, which is really cool. It has around 7 light modes. It has a remote control. It's rechargeable, and the wall mount is magnetically attachable to the lamp. So you can just put the wall mount anywhere, and then you can attach the lamp, and then you can rotate it 360 and you can point it wherever you want, and you can change the color and everything, which is really cool. Now I'll do an unbox and see what's inside, and then we'll see exactly how you can put it on the wall, how to set it up, and how it works. Really easy to open. That's everything. That's the remote. Really cool. It looks like it has like a small battery, and it looks like a cool remote. Easy to unlock this. You can take this out to connect the battery with the remote, and then we have the lamp. Take this off, and that's how we get it off. That's how the lamp looks, and it looks really good. It's really nice, and it feels premium. This plastic feels soft and nice, and we've got the button here and the USB-C, and here is the magnet. So basically you add this on the wall, stick it on a smooth wall and press it for 1 minute and use it after 24 hours. So that's how it looks attached. Then as you can see, you can just rotate it any way you want, and then when the battery is low you can just take it off. You can see it like really holds really well on this. And you also have the USB-C charger and the manual. So I was thinking of adding a light right around here, just for me to see some light here by the computer and not have to turn the overhead light on, so it will be dimmer. And I'll just stick it here and see how it goes. That's it. And then you just press it for 1 minute. It's not actually straight, as you can see. Need to be careful because it comes out with the actual paint, so it is really strong. Yes, indeed. When you want to take it off, you should just hold it so it doesn't just get off the wall. Now let's turn it on, and that's how the light looks. But as you can see, I've got the light here now. So we've got here the brightness, on-off mode, RGB mode, and white warm, and the timer, I'm guessing. So on, off, as you can see, it's like really, you need to point it that way, but really cool. You see it's very responsive. Now on RGB mode, we can control the different lights. So you can see we have blue, red, green, blue, yellow, purple, quite a few options. And I believe that's the max, and that's the lowest. Max, lowest. Then back to warm, white, and then just white. Normal white, blue, white. I would say blue, white, and then warm white. Yes, 3 modes here. Warm white, then maybe natural lighting, and blue, white, most likely. And that's this light. And it's really cool. You turn all the lights off, and then you can also just have it on that way, or this way, or that way. It's really easy, and if you have this remote, easy turn on, off, change colors, and it adds some vibe, and it looks really cool. And most importantly, it's not expensive. You can maybe use this for, like I use it, maybe to light your desk, or maybe you can use it for a painting or something like that.